So over here, Windows 10 running, and you can go ahead and click on the Start and go to Microsoft Store. And once you're in Microsoft Store, you can actually go to the top right corner, and under the search, you can enter Kali. And once you enter Kali, you can actually click on Kali Linux, and this will be an application. And you can actually go ahead and click install. So what you can do is you can read over here. So this Kali Linux is for Windows application and it allows you to install Kali Linux into Windows 10 operating system natively. So that's great because it allows you to do so much things within Windows operating system. And of course, there's a description and screenshot of what you will see once you have Kali Linux running within your Windows operating system. So again, you may not have access into VMware or Oracle VirtualBox. So this really comes in handy, especially if you're gonna do lots of different kind of commands coming from Kali Linux, but you need to run it on a Windows operating system. So go ahead and click install, or you can click on to install on my devices, but for this case, we'll click on install, and what happens, it is going to download Kali Linux, and the download can take some time, because it is 190 megabyte, and so over here, we're going to give it some time to finish downloading, and when it completes, we'll be able to launch Kali Linux onto your Windows operating system. So we are back and we see that the product has been installed, and you can go ahead and click launch in Windows Store. So once you click launch, it will say installing, and this may take a few minutes. So it is trying to load and look at the dependencies on your Windows operating system, making sure that you have all the libraries and so on, and then putting all these files in the correct places, in the correct directories, so that you can launch them a lot faster later on. So it says enter new Unix username, so I'm going to type Loy Liang Yang, and I'm going to hit enter on that, and I'm going to use a password that is going to be confidential, of course. And this password is going to be useful, especially when you're doing some of the super user command. So now we have the installation successful, and we can see that we have Loy Liang Yang at PC. So you can enter ifconfig, and you can see a lot of information here coming in. So it is exactly how you are going to use this tool, just like how you use it natively in Kali Linux. And there's a lot of commands, so you can actually do a sudo apt-get install updates. So this would actually help you actually update the Kali Linux and be able to look at all these packages and so on. And from here, you can actually install more tools into Kali Linux within your Windows operating system, which we'll discover and share more on subsequent tutorials.